Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to HumbleFx. It's been a while that we posted on this channel. I've been off. That is why I've been very busy with some things, and that is why I've not been able to create videos for you guys. And today we are going to discuss a very important strategy, just like the last one we did. Yes, this is what we are going to be using today, and it is very, very, very awesome. You know about that? This is a very, very important strategy that we are going to use. We're going to learn how to swing. We have done this video before, but today we are going to talk about it in a new dimension. How to trade, take up to 50 pips, 20 to 50 pips with this strategy and without any fear of spike. Just watch to the end and you are going to get all what you need to get from this strategy. Okay, now what are you going to be looking out for? I see people are still losing money in this industry because of number one, greed, number two, impatience, number three, not having a good daily target, number four, is it I call it over leverage and something like that. So but in today we are going to be discussing how you can actually maximize profit even with your $5 to $10 account. You can actually make something better with it. You can grow it with this strategy if you we have time to practice it and follow it the way it is. So remember, the VIP is still open now. We are back strong and better because I'm now back full time. So you can, if you want to join the VIP, you can join at this moment. We are still in, right? Very simple. So does this work? How does this work? First of all, we are using, yeah. So let us go to the 5 minute time frame. Let's go to the 5 minute time frame. So we want to be looking out for when we have this blue and red line crossing in the main chart and also crossing in the window indicator. All right, you can also check its crossing on the 15 minutes time frame as well. Okay, as you can see this trade here, I'm going to take this trade for a long time because the market, see my trend line, the market is about to touch my trend line, so that is a good entry for a sell, a long sell rather. So let me take out my Fibonacci. Let me take out the Fibonacci so that we can see the chart clearly. All right, this is my full chart. So what are we going to be doing right now? Our entry point is just simple. We're entering at the cross of the blue and the red in the main chart here. Look at it here. There's a crossover here. Remember, we are on a high time frame, not 1 minute time frame. So when there's a crossover like this, you know that at least you can get up to 20 pips before the spike continues. So which means each candle here is 15 candles. So there's a crossover in this point here. So if you enter the market right from this side here, you are taking up to two candles, which is 30 pips already. Now up to 30 pips already in this place here before the spike continues. That's the first one. Now you see also here, there's also a spike that happened right here. See that? This spike happened in this place here. So when there's a crossover of these two lines here, you get to take your entry. And what happened, you could have taken up to two candles or three candles. That's about 30 to 45 minutes you have collected. Okay, that's just a simple thing here. It works so much. You can also use it for spike catching. If you're a type that like to catch spike, here is it. You see entry points here. There's a crossover upside here. So where's the entry point? If you enter at the cross, when it is crossed, and what happened, we had a move to the upside. Now it happens always. It happens most times, so you don't have to worry, because anytime it happens, you are sure you are going to make something reasonable out of it. Now see, also there's a crossover right here. So what happened? You could have entered the market and take up to two candle. Remember, we are on a high time frame. So if we take one candle here, you already took 15 candles. So if you take like three here, you are up to 60 or thereabout candles, which is very awesome. Very awesome. But note, this is not the holy grail. It's not the holy grail. You can see this money in this market, because look at this point. Look at this point. There is a little cross here. Maybe you entered market here. It gives you, it's you were going to take two candles, but you only got one candle before the spike happened, and maybe your stop loss should be above this point, though it did not hit it did not hit your stop loss, yeah. But some people must have closing loss once the thing starts going against them like this. But the stop loss should be above the high before the cross, which is this high here. That's the stop loss we should put. But this thing did not hit the stop loss, so we are still safe here. So it came back and gave us our profit. Okay, so this is just the simple thing that we are doing. Look at also here. Also at this point here, we have a very nice setup. Nice one here. You see that here? This is it. There's a crossover at this point, so one should just enter market and take a good profit. So let us check on crash 500 or crash 1000. Now if you check on crash 500 like this, so what are we actually seeing? Go on to M15, and we could see you can almost, this is, I told you guys, you can sell with it once you see that the cross has happened on both sides, both on the window indicator here and the main chart. All right, now this is it here. Let me show you also here. This is the cross here on the 15 minute time frame. So we shall enter the market here and we'll take up to 2 to 3 candles, which is equals to, one of which is equals to 15 candles. Just know that. Okay, so if you're taking one candle out of the 4 candles here, we are taking a big candle. That's number one. Now let's also check on that entry point for a buy. All right, look at also here. We got the cross here. We got the cross right here. So what happens? We can take about 2 to 3 candles here and look at what happened. We'll be able to get that before any spike happens. So this is actually a good mine if you follow it. If you follow it like this, you are not going to lose money in the market. You are going to actually maximize profits in the market. It's very simple and easy. Very simple to understand, very simple to apply. So what are the settings for the strategy? What are the settings for the strategy? Okay, let me show you the settings for the strategy so that you know what the settings is all about. You go to the F button here. What we are looking at in this point, we are not looking at all of this. We are going to look at the main chart. Okay, the main chart is what we are interested in, which is first one here. There we have moving average period is 10, shift is 0, method is linear weight, apply to weighted close HLC/4. I choose 4 pixels of blue, and the next indicator here is 50 period 0 linear weight weighted close, same HLC/4, and I choose 4 pieces of red. You can choose any color of your choice, and after that, when you are done, this is what you should be seeing on your chart. So the next thing we are going to be looking at here is this third indicator, which is this stochastic oscillator. We have the K period is 1, the D period is 1, the slope is 1, the price feed is close, the method is exponential, and the main style I choose my background color. I do not want it to show. I choose my background color, and the levels here are level 10, 90, 50, 80, and 20. Okay, whereby level 50 is your TP if you're using lower time frame like 1 minute time frame and all that. Okay, now the next thing there is you put in your moving average period 50, shift 0 linear weight weighted close, just like the one on the main chart. Okay, the second one is a different one, period 20, shift 0 linear weight price H. This one is HLC3. I choose 4 pieces of blue, and that is how it is. Then you close, you say done, and here you are. This is where you are. So when you are here, you have already gotten the screen. You know, at this point we are looking for sales. on this point. Right at this point, we are looking for sales in this market. Sales, because of what? Because of because this is already, you see my trend line, because of is going downside. So I'm expecting the market to come to a point. I need to make it to come to this point first before it goes continue going down. So that is where I'm trying to expect the market to reach at least to this point. Then it continues to go down. Okay, so let's see how it plays out. All right, so this is, let's go check about 1000, sorry, about 500 or crash 1000. See what is happening there. Now this is crash 1000. You see that it's already going down. I told you guys this is what it works magical. It works very, very awesomely. Look at just what's happened there. What's happened in this place now. There is already a cross here. Look at this cross of the blue and the red at that point. And what happened? We are here is a stop loss, or is here's a stop loss, and there is already a shoot down. Since then, we are going up to the downside, and our TP should be somewhere here. This zones here. That's where we should have our TP set. Okay, so this is just, you have to practice it to understand it better. Okay, so very simple and easy as that. So go ahead and put on your charts and practice on it, and give me feedback. If you are new in channel, please give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. It's very, very important. Give me a thumbs up if you are new in the channel, and also give me a comment, like the video, so that other people can also benefit from it. All right, guys, next video coming up tomorrow. Enjoy.